In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Photoshop scratch disk error. This issue usually happens when your storage or memory is full. First, open Photoshop. Go to Edit at the top. Then click on Purge and select All. Confirm the action to clear Photoshop's cache. This will free up some space immediately. Next, check your computer storage. Open the Start menu and search for Storage Settings. Here you can see how much free space you have. If your storage is low, that could be causing the problem. To fix this, click on Temporary Files. Then select the files and remove them. You can also manually delete temp files. Press Windows plus R to open Run. Type temp and press Enter. Select all files using Ctrl plus A. Then delete them. Skip any files that can't be removed. If needed, close Photoshop and try deleting again. Another fix is to close unused programs. Too many apps running can use up RAM and cause this error. After doing all this, reopen Photoshop and check again. And that's it, your scratch disk error should now be fixed.